Hi everyone. So this is the first iteration of I think everything is looking well. This is the first iteration of the free MVP size of business. I don't know how to call it, but creating a new AI MVP. I'm going to learn everything about the tool, and I'm just inviting you to start learning with me as well. It's going to be a journey of probably 365 days, hopefully a lot more. And we're going to start building MVPs that are going to be completely free. I'm going to publish them on my GitHub, going to be making my GitHub completely available, public for you to take it as a boilerplate practically for every project that I create, but not the first one. The first one is going to be when I'm going to mention it like in a little bit later. But yeah, this is the first chapter of this, and it's quite exciting. It's quite exciting that we are going to have this opportunity, or I'm going to have this opportunity while I'm live streaming it 2 hours a day, particularly for the next 365 days, because that makes me accountable of not having any other distractions rather than my own focus on the computer and talking with you guys or talking with the microphone to have that possibility of doing this stuff right. So let me check that everything is running correctly on my own live stream, that it's hearing fine. Let's see. Doing this on my own like for the first time, so it's not something that I've been doing like for the longest time. Let's see. Is live stream that it's hearing fine. Let's see. Doing. Oh, okay. Yep. So it sounds great. Seeing it up on my phone now. So hopefully it works and listens great. But yeah, this is the first one, the first episode of these 365 days. Hopefully, a lot more of building AI MVPs, building AI products, AI apps, because this is going to be an ever evolving space. And hopefully, it's going to become something really big that no one knows what it's going to be the next few years. Something that I'm really passionate about building, but I was not the best. Just to give you a small background, I was a software engineer by kind of a profession, but it's not something that I make myself a lot more proficient. I just went into a position that was like 8 months of software development and was just like the almost no code tool. It was called Pega, such a horrible tool. Um, Hated it. Well, that's my personal opinion. But yeah, but now I'm just really excited about this. I work currently with one of the biggest AI in the learning space. They're incredible. They work with one of the biggest and most amazing brands in the world that you can imagine in the United States and in the world as well. So yeah, it's been kind of exciting. Um, but yeah, let's get started. My first project and everything that we're going to learn is going to be on the fly. So my first project is going to be my own, yeah, because I eat what I built in this case. So my own MVP consulting page is going to be built fully with AI now because it sucks. Right now it sucks. And so, but just for you to have a small, um, this tool stack that I'm going to be using is going to be completely different maybe in the next 2 years. But as of right now, let's get started. So as of right now, I'm going to be using Replit. I'm going to be using um, ChatGPT and a Google Docs just to document everything that I'm doing, like the correct ways and steps that I'm going to start building this. So let's get started. My free MVP stuff, like this is my agency, that consultancy that I'm working, and this is built on Framer. Paid like $20 to build this, and I think it sucks or it doesn't look very well. But I want to use the same copy almost because it took me a while to develop it. But it's a template practically, and it sucks. It has something like your MVP for free because that's what the consulting scene is from. It's building MVPs or your product practically, uh, or a product for any business that is growing completely for free, or the one that is just one functionality. And to give some background as well, why one functionality is completely for free with a full app is because when I was working, that made me one of the previous businesses that made me a lot of money as well, and earned me a lot of time because I was building apps that made anything that it was manual a lot more automatic. Talk with the APIs and do it with the UI because not everyone is proficient enough to using automation tools. So you have something that anyone can use. Could be something completely amazing for them, for the people. So yeah, let's get started. This is going to be my first project. So let's call it first project. It's going to be web app to replace, well, I'm going to add that afterwards, but it's going to be web app, landing page for software development agency and agency. Okay, I'm going to make this a heading 2. I'm going to make this complete. First project is a web app for web development agency. What's the goal? Goals, it's going to be replace Framer, make it a lot better for conversion rates and cheaper because it's built on my own. I don't have to pay like a freaking $20, 200 something dollars, like $240 a year. Sorry, $240 a year just to have my website up. I'm going to literally eat what I build. So that's going to be the first case. So we have cheaper to maintain. Hopefully, I don't eat my words here, but because I've done these past projects with AI, but it's going to be like my first one to be fully on deployed. And it could be like the hardest thing to maintain. But yeah, this is like a landing page for software development agency. That's what we are, like an MVP. I have people that I can work with that they are like the best engineers that I've known. One of them are my brothers and everything else, but I'm just building the first thing, like the first phasing product that is going to be the MVP. And that's what I'm going to learn to sell afterwards. So yeah, that's what this first episode is. It's practically going through that whole experience that I had doing this before, but it's not like the largest experience or the most experience that I had. And the previous experience in my life, being in software development for a few months and then being in the CSM, tech, and project manager, coordinator type of stuff. So I know how software works for the most part. I'm not a CTO by any means, but I'm trying. So yeah, these are the goals. Replace the framer. That is, let's see how savings, $240 a month, a year, sorry. Make it a lot better for conversion rates. So replacing, trying to build ClickFunnels. So replacing maybe what for landing pages is going to be something like for ClickFunnels is $79 times 12. So $940, $48 that is going to cost ClickFunnels. I can search it afterwards. Cheaper to maintain. Yeah, just going to add that in here. Yep, these are my goals and this is what I'm looking for. So as the first step that I'm going to have is using the copy that I already have there. Hopefully that's what practically I'm going to be using for the pages copy and everything else. So yeah, let's see. Our first step is going to be developing the first prompt for it. I believe so, that in practice is going to be easier. That's why I'm using it. But it's going to be describe an app or site that you want to create. So let's start using our brain on this. So we're going to build the first thing here. It's going to be create me a landing page that is high converting and it uses the best SEO practices for that is high converting and uses the best SEO practices for searchability on browsers. This is a landing page that should, let's correct this, a landing page that should convert or make the user reach their goals or what they're looking for. They are looking for in less. So it's not much. It's not working as well. It's like 1% of charge in this microphone. So how this works now, it should be a lot worse. It's my microphone here. This is my first live stream, so it doesn't matter. It's not that someone is going to look for it. But yeah, let's see. I'm going to fix this really quick. I'm going to copy the settings, the filters. For this one, I think these filters are okay for this one. Yep. I can hear it afterwards. But yeah, let's go through it. Create a landing page that is high converting and it uses the best SEO practices for searchability in browsers. Okay, that's what I want. This is a landing page that should convert or make users reach their goals or what they're looking for in less clicks, less the better. This landing page is a software development agency that focuses on MVPs. The sell point of this is offering 100% free MVPs, one feature only at the moment. At least I don't know if I'm going to offer it afterwards, but yeah. So yeah, I have one feature only at the moment, but yeah, let's see. It's offering 100 free MVPs, one feature only at the moment. I'm going to use my copy. Let's see the copy that I use for. This is the main pages. I'm going to try to make it on here. Website copy, web app copy. Landing page copy, and I'm going to use this as main hero. MVP for free, you have read that right. Main hero, okay. The problem, our solution, that's right. Should be a services page. It should be services. Someone is freaking cutting the grass. I don't know why. He's psychos cutting the grass right now. The microphone is barely picking it up. That's okay. Okay, page services, and we have a let's talk like a contact. Contact should be contact. It should be let's talk. Let's talk. Okay. Then it should be like what do we do with delivery software? Okay. And why I'm doing this, it looks right. The one, I'm trying to save $240, and two, I'm trying to make it unique in a sense. I know that AI is not going to be the most unique one, but it's going to take inspiration from somewhere else. But its inspiration is their own iteration. So what we do section, on the body. What do we do? Section of the body. We deliver what do we do? And what do we do? Section of the body. Okay. Services section. Let's look at that as a book of free session. Services. Section of the body. Body. Keep pasting this. 1,000. Let's connect. Okay, and I'm going to paste these. These are my services. Services offered. This is offered. Should be part of body. And I'm going to paste this, and we can make it single MV, service 1, multi MV, service 2, and a full stack engineer. I think that's a service. Software engineer, sorry, software engineer. That's phase 3, okay. Audits, okay. Then a let it happen, so a contact page. Then contact page that it's called let it happen. Let's talk, follow on YouTube or follow on X. Let's talk on YouTube, follow on X, okay. Okay, one feature only at the moment. Is offering 100% free MVPs for one feature solutions at the moment. Looking to my copy part of the following. Okay, tomorrow I'm going to charge this microphone that sucks, like stop working now. Let's see, and I'm going to add that copy here. Landing page copy. Boom. Going to see if that's going to get pasted in here. What is this? Yeah, probably it's going to add you this one. Let's see. I can add the contact page afterwards. Okay. Okay, AI expert. I'm going to delete this. Okay, now I'm going to put this on the page. Okay, perfect. Let's make the copy a lot better with the Replit. Let's see what it pulls out. Visual reference inspired by more SaaS landing pages like Linear and Vercel, known for their plain typography, purposeful spacing, and clear value propositions. The style guide, colors, primary, secondary, background, okay. I don't know if those are the colors that I want. How converting 90 page features, fires, here section with from ahead of variable case, service guide with pricing and features, strategy go, let's talk. Okay, let's see what it builds. I think it looks pretty well. Visual references, I think Linear, Vercel, yeah, typical software development agency stuff. So we can start building. Let's see what it builds. Let's see, I'm going to search for this. Build on my desktop. Let's see. I'll summarize the objective. Perfect. Date user. Okay. Let me search for the load that I need to attach. Let's see the logo of my business that I need to add to here because it's just going to look pretty bad. But I don't know where I downloaded this logo. Where they would have added? I remember when I added this logo. Should have saved it. Most likely I saved it, but I don't know what exactly it is. Let me search for it. Here it is. Yep. I'll summarize the objective, create a plan for this project. Let me analyze what you shared. Okay. AI MVP master sucks. That project name, but whatever. A-type modern web app. Okay. High comparative landing page for software development agency, especially in AI powered MVP development, which should say CTAs. Okay. Plan approval, visual preview, and interactive. Okay. Let's see. Later, would you like any of these additional features? Add testimonial sections with client success stories. I don't have any right now. I have my output ones, but it doesn't matter. Just start from zero. Implement the blog section for content marketing. No, I don't care about that. Create case studies showcasing with portfolio gallery. Probably, yeah. Add an embedded registration to better explain this development process. Most likely, I want to see what it happens. Okay, let's put this down. Okay, design and preview. Get notified when your app is ready. These guys. Let's see. The ad launch looks fine. Let's say doesn't look like really great. Get your first MVP feature free. Get your free MVP. View services. Why is adding logos that I've never seen? Create connected payment methods for users on your app. Stripe. What? You're putting me. Yep, I know that I can connect Stripe in this. Okay, let's see. Doesn't look really bad. AI powered development. I like that. Get your first MVP feature free. Get first. No, I don't like that. I'll change the copy. I really like the copy of my own, like my own website. I'm not the biggest or best copywriter, but I know that it's much better than getting your first MVP feature free, because I'm not offering an MVP that doesn't have any freaking features. Technology stack, I'm going to say yeah, most likely. That's what we're using at least right now. For the default one is React. But the MongoDB. Okay, our technology, I want to add like the AI stuff. So that's what I like. How we build your MVPs, square planning. No, that's not it. Development and integration. Yeah, I believe so. Flexible plans for pricing. MVP feature, free MVP, or my original one. I don't understand why it's so hard to single feature MVP or something like that. Most popular. Okay, I like that. Let's say it's really like clean. Like when I used it before, it was sucked a lot. Sucked so much. Okay. Let's see what it's building. Ready to build your MVP. This part, the get in touch one, it's just sucks. Well, no, not much. Doesn't suck that much. That image though, and we have a lot of sections. I don't want too much. I'm going to remove this complete section here. I don't like it. This is like the first project. It's going to build the agency where I'm going to start selling this type of stuff. Let's see. Let me check the changes that it's been done. Commits. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, create an hour. Oh, Jesus. Not that reusable or whatever. Okay. What are we doing right now that it's starting to add more stuff that it's not needed? Let's see, agents and the changes. Where is the other thing that it showed me? What it was called, like the workflow, the code changes that it was doing. Float, preview, close. No, I want the preview. Can I see the console? No, but I want this. This as well. Can I see the history? Like what is the stuff doing now? See, agent moves it up here. Dependency like preview. Connect. This is the one. Oh, yeah, it's the thing that I have here. Just move it here. Can I have it? I can do section. Just make it a little bit smaller. Did it finish the whole preview? What else is adding? Let's see what it's adding. Okay, drank some water in here. Let's see DVI launch. It's not the best name. Can you see if I can change this to my logo? I like my logo a lot better. Maybe adding my logo in that section. Let's see the history. Okay, like they showed the. Remember that I could see what was the agent doing beforehand. Okay, but I just want to change on this. Two tabs. I know this is the agent, but what is the freaking agent doing? Like creating the schema. What exactly is up? You can see what is being changed now. Install dependencies, what it's installed. Okay. Create a lot of components in here. Create this the hero section, the navbar, CTA. Okay. What? Why change it so much? Why did you broke it out of sudden? It looked a lot better before. That's what I can say. Like you changed the how does the underplay do? Can you see the different sections? What I can see is that you make a lot of changes in here. BP feature free, okay. Why you make these? This color, like this sucked. Okay, cannot. What colors would I like to add to here? Let's say that I really like this type of colors, like black and white. It's just more. I don't know. It makes much more sense. But I like this one a lot. Let's change free MVP. Maybe click this one. And I think, nope, didn't save it. Free MVP, and I'm going to save it. Oh, can you fix this? Doesn't matter. See, let me select this one. Can you add me the following logo beside the title here? So the title free MVP. Okay, can you add me the following logo beside this MVP? Adapt it or adapt it to its size of the text. MVP. And I'm going to use it at ChatGPT. I'm going to start telling them that, hey, ChatGPT, you are a professional MVP developer. You are an award-winning product manager. That is in charge of the development of the usability and accessibility. That's important. Accessibility tools, software accessibility software in the world. Biggest in the world, yeah, and this is biggest in the world, such as Shopify, that has like the best one that I've seen. Shopify. What else? OpenAI and Apple products. Can you listen to my instructions? Can you listen? Can you fix my AI, my instructions, so they can be optimized, or AI input that will fix or create no redundancies and will make the process a lot smoother. Let's see what it does. Use language optimized for workflows. Okay, not context. Okay, let's see. I'm going to add this since I cannot optimize this. I'm going to use this instruction. Can you add here? Please add the following logo next to the title text. Then for MVP, ensure the logo is proportional scale to the match the height of the free MVP text for visual alignment. Okay, like that. No, I have these here. Something like freaking wild. Yep. Let's see. This microphone should have be a lot durable and charge. Just discharge this freaking microphone. Okay, I'll add the logo to the navbar next to the MVP text. First, I need to save the image to the project asset directory. Okay, let's save it. Let's see how it reacts. It's such a freaking thing with the AI development. It just takes so much time to do it. It should be like instant now. It just makes me tired. So the edit. See. Oh, I have so many things here in my bedroom. My mom. Yeah, in this room. Let's see. Let me fix the remaining issues with the storage implementation and restore the application, make sure everything is running correctly. Okay, let's see. Can I put this on a new? It's running or not? Can I make it run or not? You see the contrast of the colors of some text is just like added to the. Why cannot add it to open a new tab? Why cannot open a new tab here if I already have the PDF? Yep. Okay, I somewhat like it. But it doesn't have like, can you add? Okay, let's see. You added my logo, okay, it's somewhat responsive as well. Yep, somewhat responsive, somewhat responsive. But you added my logo there. Can you make the logo and the, let's see, our MVP, can you change the colors? I'm gonna go to say like, I want to store user data. Well, probably I want to store user data, but I like this color and the MVP, but this thing already has a color. So let's see, color picker. And to add my freaking thing here, just going to share this as well. Let's click on downloads. The main colors of my logo, it's completely different of what it has here. Let me drop this freaking thing here. Yep. Okay, let's see. I want for the colors of my business, for the colors of my website, of my app, I would like to add my main colors, that is in the following order. My main colors to be the ones used in text, or if wanted, or on sections if needed. Color 1, I'm going to add my hex color here. I'm going to shut this place down. I'm going to click on this one. I'm going to use this color. I'm going to add this one as well. Let's see, free MVP, AMVP. That sucks, but optimize the better. I think it's optimized to not have so many stuff like it's not needed. Okay, why I pick the same one? Should have copied it. Okay, I'm going to copy this. Should be in this one, and the third one is going to be this one. I'm going to copy it. Hopefully, it's copying. Yeah. I'm going to add this to my optimized ChatGPT. Next instructions. Let's see, here optimization. See the following as the primary color palette of the app. This color should be used for text sections, background buttons, highlights where appropriate. Use them because, yep, like that. I like it a lot. Maybe later adding a database. I don't know exactly the best practice on that one. That's why I'm doing this. Things. See the following as the primary. Okay, let's see what it adds. I need to open this. Why it opens now? It opens on a different tab always. Okay, let's see on the main capture. And somewhat looks a lot better, I believe so. This looks like a freaking cake. Looks better or not? Can you make them colors? It just looks like these here sections doesn't make any difference now. View services, like the colors look now the fucking sorry, freaking suck. Who's cutting the grass now? That freaking bum ass. What did we do? Oh, and it broke. It broke. Why it broke? No, I don't like this color palette, really. Can we make it a black and white? And maybe the free MVP, we can keep it in that color. Can we revert back to black and white? and just add the pink, what's called, the light blue, pink or yellow. Light blue, pink or yellow to tiny stuff or changes. I want to see what it does exactly. Black and white, I don't like it that much. Okay, again. No, I don't like it. It just looks shit. It just looks really bad. Doesn't make any difference what we have now. It just looks awful. It just looks extremely awful. And I don't like that picture as well. Well, maybe that changes the ones that I like. We create the dividers. Okay, a high converting landing page. I believe so that I can add something like ClickFunnels. Let's see. Maybe I can tell it that it should. Pricing, what is the pricing? Your funnel, create a funnel. Your stores are okay. Okay, but I think I'm going to change it. Can you change the app structure to make it a high converting landing page like ClickFunnels? And you take the inspiration of that website and make it here. Inspiration, I'm most trying to tell it that it should work like that. Create the sections different, like just not make one freaking full white section. Make it here, divide the sections well with colors or sections that really differentiate between each other, because they suck. This sucks. Here is their website. Take inspiration. Good. I like the Premium one, but I'm not paying $240 a year for that. Not gonna happen. No, this is not what I want. Remove. I don't like this. Can I remove this? By response, I didn't want it. Don't like it. I shouldn't have used it. Don't like it. Shouldn't have. Yeah, but it's not what I wanted. Can you change the app structure? I didn't want it. Next instructions. You are in product development guide. You shouldn't follow that, but yeah, next instructions. These should do better. Okay, no, I don't want this. Why show me code? Answer chat instead. Good. Okay, solution for that. Perfect. Why start coding? God knows why. Layout. Okay. Let's see. Let's take it for a ride and what it does here. It's What to use it? Interesting. I'm going to use my clothes as well. Remember that I could see the code changes live. Where I can see that? Assistant out code search. Where I can see that, I remember. Yeah, I know that freaking preview. That's an interesting thing to see here. Problems. Oh, there's curious thing. Let's see if that happens in some way. Code search. No. This preview. Remember, I could see the preview. Yeah, I don't need these ones. Don't need you as well. Let's see. Remember, I could see that agent think, but where? Where I could see that before? Well, it doesn't matter. Let's see the changes that it's doing in the code. I'm going to change those freaking copy that we have there. Let's see how it picks up our copy. Just make it a lot better. Such a hard thing to build these AI apps from the beginning. It just takes time. And I remember I was developing my first one, like the first one that was internal for stuff that I was using for working. It was just a pain in the ass. Such a pain in the ass. Preview is going to be available, but where I can see that the agent is working. Like I remember that I could see that before. Oh, I hate this view. This view sucks. It is here, then we continue building. Okay. This is the copy. I'll try to fix this copy here. Let's see, the main here section. Okay, the page is section. It should be services, contact, that's stuck. Should be this one. It should be like in here section now. Just about this. This should be something like this. This shouldn't be. This shouldn't be. This should be. This one as well. But whatever. This is the pages. This shouldn't be something. This should be. No, when you're adding yourself into this. Okay. This should be page. Okay, why it's adding yourself in here? Why you keep adding yourself in here? Let's do this. Freaking Word, man, it just makes everything more complicated sometimes. Let's see. It should be like this. Why it's picking it up? Like, that's so dumb of your part. Whatever. Just going to leave it like this. So what we do section in the body. What do we do section in the body? Pages, services, content like stock. Or what do we do section in the body? Okay, service operate should be in the body. Okay, remember this, and this, and it should be responsive, yeah. Should make this one interactive. Just fixing this stuff, just to make it a lot more understandable. And maybe I can add it on Notepad and maybe just uploading this as one as well. Oop, full audits. And then content page that it happened. I really like that stuff. A lot better. This is a lot better. I like this bold thing. 14 days average delivery. Yeah, with this pace, it's going to be more than 14 times. Why most MVP development fails? Okay, well, I like this a lot more. This doesn't look alright. This just makes FAQ section. Wow, a lot better. Oh my god, it is how we build the area power MVP or developers having prototyping. It just builds crap in here, or just let's say crap in here, but it's just like you now know like how it changes and where it takes context from, just going to make the app a lot better. And the previous iteration just sucked, but this one it created even some bordings here for this picture, and it looks a lot better. Trusted by innovative teams. Tech growth futures guild. The company will be called like that and is going to sue me out of my own money. What we do, services and contact page. Why the services and what we do page not working? Okay, get your free MVP, ready to build your free MVP section. Let's see how ClickFunnels work. I really like their one, but I don't want to copy it. I just want to make it a lot for free. Like this section itself looks a lot cleaner. I'll take a picture of it just to take some reference of what it does. Just trying to take some sections of what it works now. This is a complete funnel. It says, okay, just going to do this to shut it off and make this one, take inspiration from this and just going to add it here. Okay. Take inspiration from the following, like a try for free section. The one that we have now sucks, and it doesn't even, like on your own code is actually free. Doesn't even look alright or color adjacent. Can you adapt it and make it more appealing? You just need to offer it from the following and without an image. Wow. Let's see if FAQs, it's alright. How we build sections. Who are these people? From who are we taking these images? Like, who is these people? Is this AI generated? Is this AI or not? And from who am I taking these pictures? Your MVP feature included, like MVP feature included, but it's not the feature that I'm trying to add. It's can you make it the image and like this? Can you make it a little bit closer? Just swap apart. Oh my god! Again, next time. Instructions. Well, it's building out of its own. Yeah, we're ready to try for free section. Design improvements. Redesign section on ClickFunnels improvements that are from the image attached. Redesign the driver free section. Let's see the get started section. Redesign the, let's call it this section to which comparing in line with the overall design, taking click on the points are from the Stashed. Okay, I like that. Just a lot better. Let's see. Launch and scale and support. And to add my text afterwards on your AI power MVP in weeks, not month. We'll say in days. They're going to have like a full app. It's going to be like a full week or a month. Oh, sorry, more than a month probably with someone who is over development. But right now it's going to be like more like days. We assign the second CTA section to match the ClickFunnels style from the image you provided. Let me take this component. Okay, looks alright. It looks fine. Doesn't look like anything that won't make sense. Let's see. Redesign the app itself. I redesigned the CTA section to match the ClickFunnels inspired stuff. Okay, let's see. Did you? Oh yeah, you did. A lot better. It looks a lot more attractive. But the colors, you take it too serious with the colors. Dude, it's too much with the colors now. Let's see. The colors. Your free MVP feature. It's not picking the same black. It just looks weird now. Too much things. Can we remove this whole section? We'll remove this. How we build key features doesn't matter. This section, let's just remove this freaking section. Let's just remove it. Remove the section. Okay, delete element. Yay! Good. Oh, didn't delete. Crap, I'll delete the feature section component. Okay. I just toasted my app. Let me fix the feature. Okay, the home component to remove the reference. Okay. What a client says. Okay, a lot less complicated with that thing, without that thing. Okay, MVP, the most MVP developments. This is like this is crap. Like people are not reading these. Let's look at ClickFunnels. You're the funnel tracking the world. Why I'm following this because people are converting for these. Like ClickFunnels is just a known thing for convert. So now you're searching what we do for you. It's going to be like a small video that I might record afterwards. Just a small video that I could be recording and just change it with my first page thing that I'm showing instead of showing just your one funnel going like this. But I'm going to just be adding that video into here and I'm going to change this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this to my document itself, my Word document. I'm going to make changing these to a video. Changing these to a video itself while the thing is working. In tab 1, I'm going to add a new tab as well. Smooth. Showing this. Showing here. To show. I want to move these. Like move. 2. Change these to interactive. Well, yeah, to moving these to moving video that using Screen Studio. That is such a crazy tool. Okay. Change these to moving videos in Screen Studio using Replit, Cursor, or Lovable. One of the three. Let's see what happens in there. Changes and move these. So things that I know that I need to change. Okay, let's see what most of the accesses scope. This looks alright, maybe. I like that one. This one, let your beans, looks okay. Like, it's okay. It's a video, this one. I don't think I need to copy this one. There's a testimonial section. I think that looks alright. They are free with feature approach. Ready to build what our client says. I think that's the most important one after this one. What most important says. I think this section. This section of what our client says should be moved. Should be moved after this section. This should be section 1. This should be this section 2. This divider, now this section. Yeah, but like this, I think so, but I want to change this to something like this. I think it looks right to just cut your attention. Why are you making quick funnels? Well, but I don't want to pay like $900 a month. Can you make it a testimonial section like this? Go through here. Can you make this section like the image as a reference? The image is attached as a reference. Please, the colors, take them from our app. But this is a scrolling, like a moving carousel that is changing. That is changing the testimonials. On its own. Please apply. Okay. So this should be the next instructions. One stomach hurts. I shouldn't have eaten that burrito. Just feels so freaking bad. Okay. From July, everything is well. Design specs, back and white, depending on surrounding sections. Clear quote, username, and optional. Okay, responsive, more friendly, exactly. Okay, yeah, I think so. I think that should be it. It should be more friendly, but yeah, let's see how it behaves. We're going to be more friendly afterwards. Resend the following sections. Okay, let's see. And this should be like the second part. That's the highest compared. Like you see a demonstration of what you're using beforehand. This is like ClickFunnels. It's showing a funnel being created. When the things needs to show like an app being built in seconds, and just that's what I want to show, like an app like being built, like the preview after it's finishing, like how the preview looks. Maybe putting it like a fast paced or something like that. I'm going to record a video for it to save $240 for this one. Okay. Hopefully it didn't die here. My head started to freaking feel a little bit bad. Let's see how it looks like. A lot better. A lot better. Can I click on it? Yeah, what the hell? But I didn't want to take the colors from these guys. The color is different. Right? The color different. Is the color a lot different? I like this color a lot. Yeah, it's different. It's so much freaking color. It's so beautiful. Such an amazing section. Can you remove this one. Like when most MVP development fails, like what our clients say, moves by its own. I think so, I believe so. It does. Does it move by its own? Should move by its own? Yeah, I believe so. Like a moving anime, it's like an animated moving carousel by its own, but I really like this one that I need to as well. Keep moving it. This part I don't like. Let's see how it looks with click funnels like. It's alright. We have the testimonials here. We have this one, testimonials. We are going to have fonts for creators. No, that's not what I want. Okay, included our free plan. Probably. Not the best. We have a week to finish this, so it's not a need, but should have it. Oh, like when I touched it. Let's see. I think when I touch it, much better now than what it's. This one is somewhat interactive, but I think it's much better now. It's in a much better state than it was. This guy cutting the grass is just pissing me off. Just making it just so hard to make this a lot better. Okay, 14 days average delivery. I want to make these closer. The design is just not losing right. This needs to get lost. This just sucks. The free MVP feature approach. Oh, when you go here, you just need to change it. Okay, it doesn't matter if it does or not. So when you reload the website, it's just. Ultimate free MVP help us transform and where it takes this one. Free feature, like it's not a feature free. It's not like a free feature, whatever. This needs to get lost. It does. It just sucks how it looks. I'm going to take this section itself and just make it lost. Sucks. Just always this element. It just sucks how it looks like. Doesn't look like even like remotely right. Okay, remove the problem section. That will move this as the second section. Let's move this. Why it looks like that? Okay, it's because this is the whole section again. Move these as the second section after the hero. I need to put it on ChatGPT because it's going to make it a lot more better for the AI. Okay, not to move the text model to the transition, yep, I like that. I need to record a video to change this and just make it a lot better. And I'm just making it a landing page, like should have a contact and something like that. And I just saved hundreds of bucks in a year just making these. And it's just, I know that it's not like the best website and everything else. I know that guys like Brett People like that have the best things. But yeah, these are raw thing, building out on the fly, seeing how it looks. I don't know what our usage is right now. How can we see what is our usage? Can you research it? No. Can we see app resources? Storage. Already too freaking money. That sucks. Let's see. Let's open this. No, it's our account. Oops. Did I show anything that I shouldn't have shown there? No, it's just my username. Okay, that doesn't matter. Let's see. Their usage. How many prompts have we done? Well, let's see how many resources are we using right now. 225. This is not bad at all. Not bad at all. Toothbox. Freaking Coke or McDonald's. BK. Burger King, not McDonald's. Let's see. A lot better. This is starting to look really good. Well, a lot better than it was. Right. The stars in they're changing colors. That shouldn't happen. Work class A here from startups and businesses. Okay. Preview feature include. No, I don't want that. Get your friend B. How it works. These I like. These I don't like. Let's see. Let's take it from ClickFunnels. What it does. Just have it try for free. Yeah, shouldn't have like multiple calling things. Shouldn't. They're just going to destroy like this section of it. Get your friend the P. I like that. Well, maybe delete it and just see how it reacts. I think I don't even have that section anymore. Yeah. I'm going to change the copy to the one that I have now. Just removing that. I'm going to tackle this as well. Yeah, I mean, it looks fine. I believe so. But now, yeah, it looks a lot better. Really, like looks fine. Looks fine. It looks fine. Get your free MVP. Okay, I like to use my copy itself. Launch your AI power MVP in weeks and not months. Our solution. Let's search for this. Sorry, this. Yep, read that right. Oh, the right. Just makes it a lot longer. Let's change this. Should it? Yeah, I think so. Yep, read that right. We help businesses replace software that costs thousands for pennies on the dollar. Your problem or solution. Yep, you read that right. I think it's too much. Yeah, we read that right. We replace software that costs thousands. Yeah, I like it. Let's see. Launch your AI. In weeks, not months. Okay, where's launch your AI? Why it's not? Where is that saved? I freaking knew it. Something might be weird with this. Can we change it now? Okay, so the hero section might be in a new folder. Where it should be? The client, the public, the assets. Okay, the assets, sorry, logo, one of the components, contact, CTA, feature. Okay, the heroes section, it should be launch your MVP somewhere around here. Launch your AI. Oops. Launch. Good. Yep. All the. You launch your AI MVP in weeks, not months. What's it called? This thing. H1 is H1, but it doesn't show us text. Okay. That's what it's called. Maybe something like this. Your first AI powered be for free. For free. Forever. Okay, how it looks like. It looks badass or not? Launch your first AI power MVP for free forever. Oops, what the fuck did I do? Oh, this is kind of weird how it looks like. Okay, so this I shouldn't have touched. Or should I? Let's see, now is the debugging phase. Oh my god. I just deleted the section. This is such a bullshit thing. Okay, just deleted the section out of this world. And he deleted it. Why? I don't know. It was good before. I don't know why I just deleted out the face of the earth. It was another section into it. I don't know if it was the best thing. But whatever. Let's see the preview. I don't know why I have now. Discard the changes. I did something in one of the components here that it didn't need to change. The assets had to be changed in here. Remove secondary call to action with previous action. Go back here. Yeah, go back to this section. I remove a section in there and just screw everything up. Okay. Yeah, just run it. Didn't want to remove the section in there and didn't want to waste another thing. What should I do now? Shouldn't do sheet. Going to select again here. Why create like a span and H1 here? It just doesn't make any sense. Oh, just move it to the side. This is such a bullshit. It just went afterwards. Launch your AI powered MVP. MVP for free forever. For free forever. Okay. Fuck. Yeah. Launch your AI powered MVP for free forever. Okay. Yeah, it makes sense. Get your free MVP. Get your first feature. No, this one not. Cloud businesses replace software solutions. Yeah. Help to replace software that costs thousands. Your problem, our solution. Can we remove this? Will look a lot better. But that makes sense. Your inbox free forever. Okay, first completely free will help you. Like this, look at your first completely for free. Completely free. Have you validate your concept before investing in Bow? I like that. Get your first MVP for free. Like it's get your first MVP. Like these guys are making like the changes that are done now with AI just are crazy. Free MVP feature included. Start today. Launch your AI power MVP. Yep. This is just insane. Free MVP feature included. I'm going to add something from the thing that I have here. Free. Should say something like what does it say now? MVP feature included. I'll add the value, like $5,000 value. Free. I'm going to make it these optimized for. I should add something more in here. Face capture. I'm going to add a new chat. I'm going to tell you you are an expert copywriter. Copywriter that optimizes and new copy for sales. you're an expert copywriter that optimizes any copy for sales and makes it a lot better. I worked with the best in copywriting. So, can you wait for my instructions to optimize copy on what I prompt instructions optimize copy. The software. Oh, but I wanted more click funnel style. Claim your $5,000. Claim your 5,000 MVP 100%. Thousand. No. Again. Oh, this one not. I'm not changing this one. You idiots. This one. Let's see, 3,500. Claim your 3,500 value MVP 100% for free. Claim your 3,000. Do I like that? It looks clammy as freak. I don't like it, but it just looks real right. Just make this section a little bit, maybe. It just doesn't look like that's right. A testimonial, so it's our solution. That looks better. It looks a lot better, this one. I like this stuff here. Probably this one as well. Free single feature, like that's not the thing. Okay, so we just made the hero section a lot better. Launch your AI Power MVP for free forever. Launch your own power free for free forever. Launch your AI Power MVP for free forever. Get your first MVP completely free. We'll help you validate your concept before investing full development. Get your free MVP. Okay. Yep. You can build testimonials and anything, or you can get your free MVP. Be compare your ideas to working products with the best MVP builder in the industry. No, it's not a builder. Frick. It is and like that. No, that's not the thing. So for MVP, this anything of this, I don't have it, so it doesn't matter. But yeah, practically it's seeing the light for some reason. Looks good. Looks a lot better than what I had read before. hopefully it's testimonials. Maybe I can make them along the screen, just not cut off in the middle. Probably. If not, just it looks alright. For me, it looks well. Is this optimized for? Let's see, for screen size. It's an iPhone SE. Here, P. This looks alright. Alright, it looks a lot good, a lot better. That FAQ section is so freaking long. But yeah, it's optimized for mobile at least. What we do, services. Let's talk. Okay, that contact us doesn't take me anywhere. That's alright. There's an SE, let's see, iPhone 14 Pro. Chosen by innovative teams. Okay. My face is hurting. But yeah, I think in the next episode I'm just going to fix this, just make it a lot better and make it functional. And this will be probably in a week launched. Most likely in a week it's going to be launched as my own website and just replace this that is costing me $20 a month just to maintain this freaking page that it doesn't benefit me at all. And I use and I eat what I build, or I use what I built. So this is what I'm going to be using now. But yeah, thank everyone. Everyone's seeing this. It's been a pleasure, and see you tomorrow. We're going to start building this along for the long ride. So tomorrow, second part. Thank you, everyone. Bye bye.